What up, kings and queens? It's your girl, Queen Alexus K, back with another video. Period. Okay, so of course I got this from Amazon, and I really want to take my content to the next level. So I bought this from Amazon, and guess what? I got this on a sale for $11.11. So, and you know I've been hitting them angel numbers because it was definitely 1111 when I definitely bought it, and it's still $11. So I'm gonna put that in the description box below, so y'all can definitely check that out. And I definitely took a picture of where I got it from on Amazon, so y'all can definitely check that out, because your girl been wanting to take some photos. Got me a little selfie stick, so whenever you see me taking pictures for the gram, oh yeah, y'all gonna have to add me on Instagram so y'all can see the see the editing, see your girl popping. But anyways, I'm gonna let y'all get into the video. I did my little razzle dazzle, just doing a little unboxing tutorial. The selfie stick came with the wireless remote, Bluetooth remote control, and I really do like it. Honestly, like, at first I really didn't think I was getting the right one, but I'm glad I picked this one, because I did pick the right one, because they had all kinds of tripods on there. So I was just like, I'm trying to get the one for the phone so I can take pictures with my little Bluetooth wireless remote picture button. You feel me? I'm up there. So yeah, I definitely need to get paid. So Amazon, thank you for the shout out. So anyways, what I am gonna tell y'all guys, that I'm finna post this video, and guess what? I got another video finna